the correct answer of what we said yesterday, isn't it? So because of our time, I will welcome the new students. They introduce themselves. Welcome. Yeah, let's start with Itina. Yeah, let's start with you.
So saying, my name is Tina, and I'm doing Saturn.
Hey guys, my name is Lisa, and I'm glad to be among you and be taking accounting. Thank you.
So because of time, let's dismiss. We'll meet in the next class.
The teacher leaves the class. Look at yourself. You look bad. You smell bad. Look at her phone. What's your problem? Hey, short girl. Are you a student? You look at her, baby. Look at your hair. You smell bad. You smell bad. You guys.
Listen, I'm the school president, and I won't tolerate your nonsense. You better behave.
A president without money? I doubt. And you better find a daycare. This is not a daycare. We don't babysit children. Excuses. After class, something smells rotten. I guess it's you.
Msichana anakaa tu kuwa bure.
I don't understand you. Everyone can buy everything, right? Let me tell you, to me it doesn't matter.
Money can buy everything. You don't know?
No.
I mean, look at their hair. How would they know the value of money? You better excuse them before you get infected.
Yeah, plus, spending our air.
During the weekends, during it's weekend, and Lisa and friends are busy partying. They engage in all unaccepted behavior. Everyone sat for the examination. Thank God, no one dropped out in that year. At this time, thank God no one dropped out in that year. Finally, results are out and graduation ceremonies are prepared.
The first one is Mona. Please come for your certificate. The second one is Tina. Please come for your certificate. That one is Peter. Please come for your certificate. Lastly, we have Lisa. And this one seems to be breasted.
Utateseka, unachukua na 84.
The moral of the story, like you see the students are sent to school with their parents to learn, right? But you see in the end, one decides to be the party girl and she doesn't focus about study, and in the end, she fails. Then there's the other one, Ina, who sticks to her studies and anajua kenye imempeleka shule. So she pursues and she graduates and life goes on.